Oh shit, where's the spooky do go? Well, that means I'd go to the basement. But this is really spooky, really scary. I hope that this is not a joke, because it will be a fucking joke. So in the meantime, we're going to this building, but it's closed. Oh dear. Oh dear. So isn't the door of the building? So this couldn't let me normally in. But what is gonna to do now? Ooh. But it didn't enter here. Stupid. Oh, thanks. Thank you very, very, very much. I need this building open right now. Yes, I'm speaking English.
I speak too.
Thank you.
Not at all.
Now in the building 12 and into the next lift stay both these and crabs. But what is the reason why you press the down button? Are you going to the basement or something?
Are you talking to me or talking with the mobile?
It's a tablet.
No, you are.
It's a tablet, you bitch.
But you born here in Spain or in England? You speak a good
Spain.
English. Pues you speak a good English, ¿eh? Hablo muy bien el inglés. Para ser un chiquillo.
True.
Pero es que pasa que los pequeños no tienen vergüenza.
Ni vergüenza ni...
Bueno, pues si con esa edad sabe ya inglés, ahora coge el alemán y lo coge también, ¿eh?
También.
Además, va
a un colegio valenciano.
Pues mira, perfecto. Porque tienes a good pronunciation, ¿eh? A good speaking.
Contesta.
¿Eh?
Yes.
No, only it's an affirmation.
Information about these lifts.
Yes.
Because, but I want to film some more lifts. Because
Here in Spain, anybody speak with English. Everybody Spanish.
yes. No, to the other lift.
A la planta. Donde vas, que haya sombrita, que haya fresquita y comida.